Hey guys, I'm April.
And I'm Derek.
And we are from New Look RV Renovation. We're just putting the finishing touches on the Jayco remodel, adding some extra decor and shelving. Otherwise, it's all finished.
Look at this, we're all hooked up.
We took the Jayco out for a test run to one of our favorite places, some family land located in the Driftless area of Wisconsin. It's a beautiful place surrounded by big rolling hills.
My great-grandparents used to own this farm, and I grew up just down the road, so it's definitely a special place to me. It's funny how you grow up somewhere and see the same thing out your window every day. You don't realize the beauty that's surrounding you until you leave that place and get to come back to it. We decided to put a little list together for you of our top 5 favorite things we love about camping.
Number 5, hiking. It's just a great way to get out and see the area that you're staying in and experience the places up close.
Number 4, camp food. It's always fun meal prepping campfire meals, and I think it's more fun to eat something that's been cooked on a grill or over the fire.
And coming in at number 3, who doesn't love campfires? Whether you're actually using it to cook or for warmth or just having one for the fun of it, they are of course a camping staple.
And number 2, seeing our kids playing in nature and being unplugged. We're already an outdoorsy family, but I feel like camping forces our kids to play games together outside and be creative in their surroundings. We have a great backyard that our kids could play a lot of the same games in, but somehow they always come up with great things to play and do while we're camping.
And number 1, it's the experiences that really matter. Every trip and stop offers some sort of new experience for the kids and for us. Some are big, many are small, but they all add up collectively and most can be looked back upon with a smile.
Even though going camping can be a lot of work, there's something so relaxing about getting away and not having to worry about everyday stresses.
So we thought the test drive of the Jayco went great.
So get out there and go camping.
One of the best parts about camping? Sitting around a campfire, surrounded by coyotes.